This 2023 Ford Mustang is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ford is powered by wash and rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, intercooled turbo premium unleaded i4 2.3 L140 engine, and has 47,128 miles. Unleash power and style. Get your 2023 Ford Mustang today. Your dream ride awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.